What's up, guys? It's me, Hacks, coming at you again with another game update. Today, this time, I did a lot of work on the battle system. Um, I was originally, this week I was going to do, try and finish the castle, like I said before, but I got tired of doing 3D, so I'm like, okay, let me work on the battle system for something new. So I pretty much completed it. So I'm pretty happy about that. Like, it was pretty much done before. Um, the only thing I had to do was the status effects on the players and stat changes on the players, which I added. And I also added some more monsters into the game, besides just the green slime. So all the monsters for the first dungeon are there and in the game. Um, they have their move sets, they have their stats. Um, and I also added the game's tutorial. So, yeah, that's what I did this week. So I can show you all that. But first, if you want to see, just to show you here, that I did absolutely nothing on this. It still looks exactly like this because I got tired of doing 3D. Like, I can only do it for so long before I'm like, I hate this. So I went and just did programming for this week. So programming and some art, so that keep myself sane. All right, let me show you. Firstly, I'll show you, I guess, some of the monsters here. Okay. Turn this down a little bit. So here's one. The garden snake there. Oh yeah, I also added this. I completely forgot about this. So one of the slime's moves is to grab you, and if you're grabbed, you can't move until he throws you. So yeah, I coded that in this week. So you can see it here. Yeah, so you can see here that I'm poisoned. Oh, Dan died. Wow, that's deep. Well, anyway, you can see that I got poisoned. It shows up here. It took my health. This should not be here anymore because I died. But I didn't consider that until literally just now because it has never happened until just now. So there you go. And each character has their own, like, grab sprite, if you will. So if the slime will grab me, you'll see it. Oh, you can see here that I got poison damage just now. Yeah, I mean, I already have. Here's the thing, too. I have already every single monster that's going to be in the game. I have had them for, like, 3 years or something at this point, at least. So, yeah, literally, I just have to draw them and put them in because I already have them all in my sketchbook. So yeah, it's really easy. I'm waiting for the slime to grab me. I don't think he will. So I'll just start over. But yeah, it'll be super easy. Literally, all I have to do is just input the sprites, the moves each one has, and yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. I added the goblin. And I added a fairy. 2. I'm gonna go back to the slime. Oh, that obviously shouldn't do that. All these things I'm noticing when I'm starting recording, of course. Here's the last one, the Venus flytrap. I haven't done any of the animations though, so that's why it still turns into Joe on their turn. But I have all the basic sprites, like the idle ones. So sometimes it's just like this, where you can't get a single monster that you want. How many such cases? Oh boy. So yeah, don't really know what else to say. I don't want to edit this video though. So I guess we're just being chill until he grabs me. There you go. See? So yeah, everyone will have their own grab sprite. And Joe can't move because he was grabbed. The slime threw me. I can move again. Yep. You could attack someone at random when you're confused. So yeah, I was like coding all those status effects to work too, so they all work now. And of course when you leave, all your status effects go away. So, you can leave anytime. Alright, so that's the first dungeon. And now I'll show you the game's tutorial, which I just finished, and I'm very proud of it. Because I was able to figure it out. So your first tutorial is just like you just fight a slime. It's pretty simple. Get some in-battle sprites. I know Dan looks a little weird because he's flipped. I'll fix it obviously when I paint it, but dialogue in the battle. Blah 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 blah. And there's gonna be photos here, like of the UI and stuff. You can see I can only do one thing. That is attack. You can choose each one, it doesn't matter. And this slime is a little thicker, so he doesn't die. Yeah, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Because, the further along I get, the more I just, like, start to play my own game, which is kind of funny. Okay, during this part, you're supposed to use an item on Joe. You can see I can't target Dan. Normally you can, but you can't, because it's a tutorial. Yeah, I mean, it's starting to feel really good to me. Yeah. I think people will like it when, Next Fest comes around in, like, 2 months? 2 months, yeah, it's like 2 months. So, it should be much further along by then. Hopefully I'll have the whole first chapter done by then. I might. I'm not sure, but, here's the app. So yeah, I figured out how to script a battle. So yeah, that's cool. So, but don't worry, there are no battles we are scripted to lose because I hate that and I think it's stupid. Like, why even bother having the player do a battle if they're gonna lose anyway? Like, that's stupid, right? So, just make it like a cutscene or something. Might as well. I hated that. It's so dumb. Anyway, the last thing I gotta do for this is obviously the Overdrive movies, because, I still have a placeholder to one, but, so, yep. I also have to... I literally keep forgetting to do these icons, I swear. You get some dialogue afterwards. And you get another tutorial about the dungeon, which is not this, obviously, but I have to still make the photos for it. So, yep. And then after that, you can access... The world map should be here, but technically I didn't start from the Westwood Kingdom, so I never unlocked it, technically. So, it's not unlocked right now. But normally this would be unlocked here. And now you have these two, you can do party and You know, you can become Dan if you want. You can use a skill, which you don't have any, but that's okay. You can go and do your skill tree if you want. Get an upgrade one of your moves. We only have one ability point. Or no ability points. I don't know. Yeah, so tutorial's done. What else is done here? The battle mode pretty much is done. It's just some small things that need to be fixed. Graphically, but other than that, it's functionally there. Boss battles work too. This is a boss battle here. So yeah, I just pretty much have to do 3D, which I don't really want to do it still, but I mean, I don't know. I might just do some drawings or something. I really don't feel like doing 3D, but we'll see. So yeah. Next time I will have more stuff done. I don't know what that'll look like or what it'll be, but I'll be further along than I was today. So you know, that's good. So I might have this area start to look like the actual level instead of the Whisper Kingdom, because I'm kind of burnt out on that one. But this one I haven't really started, so there's a lot left to do. So I might start on this one. So yeah. All right. So I'll see you next time. Bye.